Tired of waiting for all those wet clothes to dry on your clothesline? And in winter, it takes even longer. Or if it rains without warning, they get wet all over again. It's Aero-Dry to the rescue. No more wading through all the clothes cluttered in your bathroom. It's Aero-Dry to the rescue. Sick of taking clothes out of the dryer only to find they've been damaged or shrunk? It's Aero-Dry to the rescue. Frustrated with clothes wrinkled by your tumble dryer, forcing you to spend hours ironing? It's Aero-Dry to the rescue. Coming in wet from the rain? It's Aero-Dry to the rescue. Aero-Dry is the one and only minutes-fast drip-drying machine existing today. The latest breakthrough in domestic appliances that will replace old-fashioned line drying and dry your clothes quickly and easily with no damage, no shrinkage, and no wear and tear. The Aero-Dry is perfect for those one-piece of clothing emergencies. Now you have a closet in which you can hang your wet clothes and they'll dry in minutes. You don't even need to iron. Your clothes come out wrinkle-free, so you can wear them right out of the machine, or just put them directly in your closet. Because of the gentle blow-drying convection technology, the Aero-Dry is a must for drying hand-wash-only delicates, such as baby clothes and silks. It's also ideal for wools and suit jackets. You'll save a fortune in dry cleaning bills. You can even use it for leathers and shoes. It's so handy to keep by the door when you come in from the snow. Just pop in your boots, socks, and all, and they'll be dry in minutes, ready and warm for your next venture outside. And it will serve you just as well in rainy weather. You come in wet, and you'll go out completely dry. And when you're done, just fold it up. The inexpensive Aero-Dry is perfect for apartments or studios with no room for in-house appliances, RVs and camping trips, college dorms, and of course, it's great for people who already have a dryer at home but need to take advantage of quick, shrink-free, wrinkle-free, iron-free drying.
The Aero-Dry is not available in stores. This television show is your only chance to get one. So call the number on your screen and your Aero-Dry will be rushed to your front door. And if you call right now, we'll include this handy carry bag for easy storage or traveling, and 2 special practical hangers, 1 standard and 1 round for a wide variety of uses. The Aero-Dry will solve more problems than you would ever imagine. It will pay for itself in no time. So pick up the phone and order this hot, hot, hot new product everybody is talking about. The Aero-Dry will make your life so much easier, we guarantee it. Call now.